Steep climb away, and if that's not an impressive departure, watch the Airbus now going into a high angle of bank. As I say, not the sort of manoeuvre you do with Granny down the back with a gin and tonic in her hand. Airbus A380, high capacity airliner, made its first Farnborough appearance in 2008. We're joined in the commentary box by part of the Airbus group. Chris Carroll, now you're been involved in the Airbus A380, I know, for some time.
Yes, for 6 years.
Well, that's how much of his life. I mean, the bottom design for 4, we saw it up there, originally was going to be the 3XX.
It was, yes. I did the A380 just as the first one went into service with the part.
Now this one is the very first one, isn't it? This is 001.
This is 001, yeah.
So no doubt you were down at Toulouse on the 18th of January 2005.
2000, I think I watched it on the big screen from Filton actually.
Oh, you were down there?
Didn't make it to France for that one.
So what's your involvement with the 380?
These days I look after a team of project managers who help out on the wings, fuselage, wings, landing gear and fuel systems, which is all the things that we look after at Filton.
So, are you telling me you put the wings together in the UK and you get them out in France to be put on together?
Yep, wings are designed in Bristol, Filton. They're built up at Royal, which is in Manchester. Built fully there, taken by road to the docks, put them on a ship, and taken around to the south of France.
But Toulouse, my navigation geography is not actually great. It's not on the coast, is it?
No, it's not. So they then get on another truck, and we take the head at night through the back roads of France to Toulouse.
But it's a huge wing.
It's a phenomenal way.
So do you have to take down lampposts?
They've widened roads, made villages a little bit further back from the street, but it's an impressive combat. Really, really impressive.
I mean, it is fantastic, and it's a very good success story for Airbus A380. Crew of 2 located in the mezzanine level between the 2 decks, and by January this year, over 304 orders have been placed and 122 have been delivered, and those numbers have already gone up again. Do you know the list of the numbers? I'm sure I've not asked that question. We'll just move gently on. A380, one of the most advanced, spacious, eco-efficient airliners in service. Now the combination of passenger load is, well, endless really. You know, this one is around about over 500 passengers in a 3-class configuration. You can also have it as a VIP kit, so you can have dining areas, showers, tables. Pitching up now, going past the low speed, high alpha pass, this glorious airline majestically passing in front of us. As he goes onto the north side, he'll pitch up, steeply up at the top, pitch over, drop the gear, and then turn around to land. Now he does know that the next airline pass from the Airbus group, the a400m, is on the end of the runway, because that's where he's been at this stage of the show all during the week. Now the engines, you can have the Alliance GP 7270, or the Rolls-Royce Trent. There's different marks of Trent. This is the Rolls-Royce engines. Now, we're talking about the Trent 900, these type of aircraft. They can draw in enough air to inflate 72,000 party balloons in 1 second. There's a little fact for you. Now that wingspan, 79.8 metres, which is huge, but it just fits. The largest wingspan I understand you can have in airports around the world for parking them is 80 metres. So when you're taxiing onto the stand, you've got to get it right. But I understand from Airbus that they reckon the pilots should have a good chance of getting it right. You've got the aeroplane right, so the deal is we get it right taxiing it.
Absolutely.
The height, length of the aircraft, 24.1 metres and 72.8 metres respectively. She is an incredibly impressive airliner. When she gets to 600 feet on the final approach, a little word will be given to the A400M that he's moved, we want the runway, and the A400M now starts his takeoff run. As the 380 covers into land, 380 will go down to the left plane at the left end of the runway, turn around, come back, and be parked up in preparation for departure back to Toulouse. This is the runway has immediately into roll. Tactical departure. When you're in a dodgy area, you don't want to be too close to ground for too long. Small R's fire, etc. So stick line, pitch round, and you're going to see a very agile flight display by the A400M as the 380 touches down. What a magnificent aircraft airborne is making its third public display at Farnborough. New generation airlift engine service with the French Air Force last September has already been deployed on operations in Mali and Djibouti. First 10 aircraft of the Turkish Air Force have also been delivered.